over this summer. Before it's like, except that Schindler replaced the... Yeah, I'll stop it when I look at the room. That's fine, because he's... Not right. Okay, so this is the lift in the Charles account. So this is a nice, awesome express, and it's coughed. Oh, I love that bell thing. And here is the lift. So let's go. 6. That's your button panel. That is the indicator. Nice, awesome. M-series logic. Lightning. Timing. And that is a Schindler phone. And that is your cab. One go out. Oh, missed. Oh, pre-doors. Oh, that's nice. Let's go around. Let's look at this awesome indicator. Yeah, this is a pre-door elevator. It's actually a really nice lift. I'm stoked. And yeah, I need to shit or something, so make sure I do this quick before I shit myself. Ah, shit. Oh, do not get this one. Okay, so watch the lift go. And that's it. Oh dear. Oh dear, what's happening? Lifts boarded up, so... But yeah, this seems to be switched off, so... Yeah, it's switched off, but it's not boarded up. So... It seems sort of abandoned, but yeah, I think more so it's actually switched off, and it could be, yeah, might be about to be replaced. That's what my only guess is. And that's what it looks like on the ground floor. It's all boarded up. I mean, it doesn't say Schindler, so it could just be been used as a construction meter, but yeah, that's weird. Okay, so I'm back here at literally boarded up lift, and I think I know what is happening now. It's been like, I think last weekend was in June, and now it's October 2021, and I think you know what's happening. Button's gone, indicator still exists, and I'm probably not going to go up further to floor 2, because there's actually something really interesting on the ground floor. Yeah, it is actually kind of shocking. So core buttons are gone, and indicator still exists, but yeah, something's happening to this older, Express probably was an older lift, and then got Express modernized, but now what's happening, it is in fact being replaced by, well, actually I think we know who is replacing it at the moment, because yeah, this is all lift equipment, and it's a cord that comes down here too. Not sure where. But yeah, this is the ground floor, and look at that. Yep. Well, rumors are true. The maintenance on the lift shaft, and job by new steel, they're replacing it. Let's see from there, indicator doesn't work. Okay, last time I was here, this lift was under modernization, and now modernization is finished. And yeah, it is now Schindler. Now it's now like a 5500, so that's nice. Why is it a 6500? Because original doors. And the only thing that's there's something that's like I'm the same about the lift is like the floor indicator, but that's it. This is the first lift I've filmed in a while because of alert level and that type of stuff, so it's going to be an interesting experience. Here's the lift. Yeah, it looks pretty modern on the inside. Let's go to 6. Yeah, it's been modern now, replaced. The only thing that's original are the outer doors. 900 kgs or 12 persons. We probably would get out on like the upper floor. Way out 6. One already went out. Yeah, floor indicator's still there. It's now got this logic came up because it's now MOL, and let's go down. So that's pretty much what's happened to the lift. It's been fully replaced. So there goes the last old lift in the Bit Tower building. We're at ground. I need just a quick look on mezzanine. Yeah. So yeah, sounds that's been covered up before the original lift, but apparently they have not. And on mezzanine, it looks kind of like, yeah. The only thing that's original are the doors being suddenly has been replaced, and that's it.